Draw an A4 size rectangle and fill white color. Select 3-point rectangle tool and draw a rectangle, as shown here. Select the nodes using Shape tool and drag. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Increase the size of rectangle. Increase the roundness of the corner using Shape tool. Smart Fill. Delete. Draw a rectangle. Select Shape tool and drag. Create copies. Arrange objects as shown here. Select all and rotate parallel to the yellow object. Adjust size and position. Create one more copy and decrease size. Select these objects, click on Weld. Power clip an image inside that weld object. Control-click on Object to edit power clip content. Adjust the image size. Control-click outside to close power clip window. Remove outline. Power clip this group inside the background. Pick the color from image using eyedropper tool and fill it to the object. Edit color using interactive fill tool. Copy-paste same color. Power clip this object inside the background. Draw a small rectangle. Select Shape tool and drag. Fill same color. Adjust. Place the text. Draw small circles and fill color.